Is your 2021-2024 Chevy Tahoe key fob not working? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. These fobs use a CR2032 battery, typically lasting 1 to 2 years. Cold weather can accelerate battery drain. You'll need a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or coin. Before you start, make sure you are clear from static electricity, as this can damage the fob. First, locate the small notch on the side of your key fob. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver or coin into the notch and pry the two halves of the fob apart. Be careful not to force it to avoid cracking the plastic. Next, use the screwdriver to pop out the old CR2032 battery, noting the orientation. Positive side usually faces up. Install the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation, making sure it's seated properly. Finally, snap the two halves of the fob back together firmly. Test the fob by pressing the buttons near your Tahoe. If it doesn't work, try reprogramming it through the infotainment system. Settings: vehicle, remote lock, unlock, start, hold lock, and unlock. Automotive mechanics, such as those from AAA and certified Chevy technicians, recommend annual checks for key fob batteries and that you make sure the battery voltage is between 2.8 to 3 volts.